Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to make for you another amazing smoothie. So guys, after leaving the gym today, I stopped by the health food shop where they sell just fruits and vegetables and nuts, and I see these little fruits, and I was wondering what are they, and I look at the name. I've never seen it before, and the name of it is mangosteen. So this is what I'm about to do for you today guys. So with the mangosteen, I'll be adding a banana and mango. So that is the mangosteen, banana and mango. Sit back, watch and enjoy. With our mangosteen smoothie. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video as I enjoy making it for you. See you again with another amazing upload. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.